Greetings, greetings, greetings. You ever feel like you're alone yet, like you're on your own? You know, say, you not have to feel that way they do. Because God did promise, say, I go always there with you. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, do it now, no? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the first letter from Paul to the Corinthian people them. Chapter 1 from verse 4 to verse 9. Me ever give God thanks for all we him do for uno. Cause uno and Jesus Christ are one. Him show no love, even though uno no deserve it. And cause uno and Jesus close, God bless uno with enough good sitting. He make uno can preach him word, and he make uno can understand everything we did if you know about him spirit. And since uno can't do them sitting there, that shows the message where we did bring come go no about Christ Jesus. I chose something. So while you know wait for the Lord Jesus Christ to come back, not there where no could have want or need. God's spirit don't go no everything. Jesus will help you for go and turn up strong in a one to believe till the day in come back for judge the world. So pan that day, when uno turn up in front of him, nobody now go can say uno did a live wrong. God, the one we call uno to be one with him boy picnic, we Lord Jesus Christ, always do what him say him a go do. So uno can trust say him with dede for uno. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.